Lesson 241. This holy instant is salvation come.
Hi there. Have you ever wondered how a single moment could change our entire world? Well, let's discover what Lesson 241 has to unveil.
This holy instant is salvation come. What joy there is today! It is a time of special celebration. For today holds out the instant to the darkened world where its release is set. The day has come when sorrows pass away and pain is gone. The glory of salvation dawns today upon a world set free. This is the time of hope for countless millions. They will be united now, as you forgive them all. For I will be forgiven by you today.
We have forgiven one another now, and so we come at last to you again. Father, your Son, who never left, returns to heaven and his home. How glad are we to have our sanity restored to us, and to remember that we all are one.
In other words, the focus we should have is always in the present moment, in this holy instant.
This holy instant is salvation come.
Today, in the present moment, we can choose to let go of our sadness and hurt, shift our perspective, and let our light shine upon the world. This could be the day when we forgive others, everyone, and in doing that, we forgive ourselves too. In this holy instant, we can always shift our minds and connect to God. In doing so, we let His glory, the glory of salvation, dawn on us and on a world that has been freed. In this holy instant we can be the hope for millions of our brothers that they will join in our oneness. In this state of mind, we have already forgiven each other, and we can get to God, our Father. In this state of mind we never left our Father, we never left heaven, our home. In this state of mind our sanity is restored, and in profound happiness we realize finally that we are all one.
This holy instant is salvation come.
This holy instant is salvation come.
This holy instant is salvation come.
Isn't that incredibly uplifting? How would it be to live in a world where we all understand that we are all one, and act accordingly? And isn't it important to realize that this holy instant holds the power to restore the awareness of our oneness in us? Keep up your practice morning and evening, just as we've been doing so far. Take a few moments every hour, and any time you need it or feel tempted, to remember this powerful idea. You're on the right track and you're doing wonderfully well. See you tomorrow for another powerful lesson. Quick note, don't forget that we're navigating through the section called What is the World? In the workbook for students of A Course in Miracles. If you haven't seen the intro video for this section yet, look out for the pop-up link on your screen.
If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. Thanks. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. There's a new lesson every day.